What temperature do you keep your house at? I mean, definitely under 70, like 68.
Daytime 70. To sleep 68.
To sleep, 66. 66. 68.
Keep it a cool
69.
67. 67.
Right now, I think it's at 62. My glasses fog up whenever I go outside. 60. 60.
60, 58. No me gusta caliente, guys. Sorry, I don't like hot. I like cold.
70. 72.
72.
Right now, it's at 70 on the dot. Kansas City Heat.
68 degrees. Unfortunately, it wakes my son up because it's too cold, but makes me sleep really good.
68.
67.
Oh, man. At night, at least 67, but during the day, probably like 70, 71.
68.
68 house, hotels.
65. As long as it
65.
goes. Yeah. Hotel, for sure.
68.
Casi igual que aquí, es casi un desierto igualito.
You can do both if you
67.
want. Oh.
If you keep it above 72 at any point in the day, you got a problem.